Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, rear heated seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.